Ready to unlock the secret that separates great programmers from beginners? The magic isn't in typing code faster, it's in thinking first. Today we're learning pseudocode, the superpower that turns your ideas into clear, step-by-step plans. By the end of this lesson, you'll write pseudocode in plain language, plan every program before coding, and translate any idea into logical steps. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is pseudocode? Think of it as fake code that uses plain language instead of Python syntax. It's like writing a recipe before you start cooking. You list all the steps in simple English so you know exactly what to do. Let's think about making biryani. Would you start cooking without knowing the steps? What if you forgot to soak the rice first? What if you added spices at the wrong time? You'd end up with a disaster. Programming is exactly the same. Planning with pseudocode helps you spot problems before you start coding, organize your thoughts clearly, explain your ideas to others, and write code much faster with way fewer bugs. It's like having a roadmap. Here's pseudocode for a temperature converter. Notice how I'm using plain English, not Python syntax. Step 1. Ask the user for temperature. Step 2. Get and store their input. Step 3. Convert text to a number. Step 4. Do the math. Step 5. Show the result. Simple and clear. Our pseudocode translates almost directly to Python. Step 1 and 2 combine into 1 to become our input line, line 1. Step 3 becomes float conversion, line 3 in our code. Step 4 is our calculation in line 5. Finally, step 5 is our print statement. See how the planning made coding super easy? Here are the golden rules for great pseudocode. Use simple, clear language that anyone can understand. Number your steps to keep them organized. Focus on what you want to do, not exactly how to code it. Include all the big decisions and actions. And here's the best part. Don't worry about perfect syntax because you're writing in English. Let's try a more complex example. A number guessing game. Notice how I can use if conditions in pseudocode even though we haven't learned Python if statements yet. That's because you already understand this logic from scratch. The pseudocode captures the thinking, not the exact Python syntax. Here's a pro tip that will save you hours of debugging. Start with pseudocode for every program, even the simple ones. It's like reading through a recipe before you start cooking. You need to know all the ingredients and steps beforehand, or you might realize halfway through that you're missing something crucial. Time for your first challenge. Can you write pseudocode for a program that asks for your age, calculates how many months old you are, and displays the result? Take a moment to think it through step by step. Perfect. Here's one way to write it. Step 1. Ask for age in years. Step 2. Get and store their input. Step 3. Convert to a number. Step 4. Multiply by 12 to get months. Step 5. Display the result. Simple and logical. Incredible work. You've just mastered the most important programming skill of all, thinking before coding. This isn't just a school exercise. Professional programmers at Google, Microsoft, and everywhere else use pseudocode every single day. You're already thinking like a real programmer. What an amazing lesson! We learned that pseudocode helps us plan programs using plain language, that thinking before typing is the secret to great programming, and that good planning means we'll code faster with way fewer bugs. Next up, we'll learn about flowcharts, visual diagrams that map out our logic. You're officially thinking like a professional programmer now.